Hi friends, hope all are doing great. Today's our topic is operators in Python. What are operators? Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. There are different types of operators available in Python. What are there? Arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators. What is arithmetic operators? Plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent. Assignment operators equal to, plus equal to, minus equals to. Okay, all these operators will check with examples in Jupyter notebook. Let us open the Jupyter notebook here. Okay, first we'll check out with arithmetic operators. What are arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent. Okay, let us check them one by one. A equals to 10, B equals to 5, C equals to A plus B. Then run the code here, print the value of C. Here the C value is 15. A equals to 20. B equals to 10. C equals to A minus B. Run the code, print the value of C. C is 10. Okay. A equals to 5. B equals to 2. C equals to A into B. Okay. Shift enter. Then C, shift enter. C value is 10 here. 5 2s are 10. Then A equals to 5. B equals to 2. C equals to A by B. Print the value of C. C value is 2.5. Okay. Then A equals to 11. B equals to 2. C equals to A modulus of B. So modulus will give the remainder value. So here print the value of C. C is 1. Okay. Now let us find the exponent value. A equal to 2, B equals to 3, C equals to A exponent of B. Print the value of C. What will be the value of C? 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So C value is 8 here. Okay. The next arithmetic operators are completed. Let us check with assignment operators. What are assignment operators? Equals to, okay, plus equal, minus equal, then 2 equals. These are all the assignment operators. Modulus equal. Okay. Then exponent equal. We'll check the example one by one. A equals to 10. A plus equals to 5. What does it means? A equals to A plus 5. Okay, compile the code. What will be the A value now? A equals to A plus 5. 10 plus 5, 15. Print the value of A. A value is 15. A equals to 5. B equals to 2. Okay. A minus, or equals to 2. What does it mean? A equals to A minus 2. So what is the value of A now? 5 minus 2, 3. The value of A is minus 2 we took. Okay, let us check with another example. A equals to 5. A minus equals to 2. What does it mean? A equals to A minus 2. Then what is the value of A here? 3. Okay, 5 minus 2 is 3. The next A equals to 10. A into equals to 2. What does it mean? A equals to A into 2. 10 2s are 20. So the value of A is 20. Okay, A equals to 5. A divided or equals to 2. So the value of A is 2.5. Okay, then we'll check with modulus. A equals to 11. B equals to 2. Okay, not B. A modulus or equals to 3. Print the value of A. So here A value is 2. 3 3s are 9. So the remainder will be 2. Okay. Then we'll check with exponent. A equals to 3. A exponent equals to 3. So what will be the output? 3 power 3 is 27. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Okay. Assignment operators are completed. Now let us check with comparison operator. Okay. Comparison operator. What are comparison operators? Equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than, greater than equals to, less than or equals to. Okay, let us check one by one. A equals to 10. B equals to 5. So A equals to B. False. Why? Because both the A and B values are different. If A equals to 10, B equals to 10, A equals to B. So the result is true. Why? Because both the A and B values are true. Okay. A equals to 10. B equals to 5. A is greater than B. The result is true. Why? Because A value is 10, B value is 5. So obviously A is greater than B. A equals to 3. B equals to 5. A is less than B. So the result is true. Why? Because A is less than B. A equals to 20. B equals to 50. A is less than B. The result is true. Why? Because A value is less than B. Let us check with one more example. A equal to 10. B equals to 30. Okay. A is greater than B. The result is false. Why? Because A value is less than B value. A equal to 20. B equals to 10. A is greater than or equal to B. The result is true. A equals to 15. B equals to 5. So B is less than or equals to A. the result is true. Okay. Then A equals to 10. B is equals to 20. A is not equal to B. The result is true. These are the comparison operators. Now let us check with logical operators. Logical operators. What are logical operators? And this is the and symbol, or this is the or symbol, then not. Logical and, logical or, logical not. Okay. A equals to true. B equals to false. A and A. What is A value here? If both the statements are true, then the result is true. What does AND operator states that? If both the statements are true, the result is true, or else the result is false. A and B. The result is false. B and B. The result is false. Both the statements should be true. Then the result is true. Let us check for OR operator. A equals to true. B equals to false. Okay. Then A or B. What does OR operator states? OR operator states that at least one statement should be true. Then the result is true. B or B is false. Why? Because both the statements are false. Okay. Then what does NOT operator states? If A equals to true, B equals to false, not A. Not A means A is true, then opposite of A not false. Opposite of true is false. Not B. Not B is true. So this is the information about arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators. I hope you understood the concept, friends. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Have a great day. Take care of yourself, friends.